Good morning, and today I'm going to do something. I got 2 eggs and a bread, and I want to make omelette, egg and a bread toast. Let's see how I'm gonna do it. For those who know me, they know that I don't know how to cook. So let's see how things goes. Let's do the first thing first. Take the eggs and then prepare it. And then take some garlic bread seasoning. Take some all-purpose seasoning. Let's do it. Okay, a little bit this one. Let me do it. The bread has to be all around. Take 2 breads. There you go. It's very simple. It's all around. This is my way, but I don't know if it's a right way or a wrong way. But I find this is a little bit easy once your bread is already soaked in the omelette. So far looks good. Ready for the next step? Let's turn on the gas. Oh, seems like gas is not working. Or maybe it's run out of gas. So, since we already prepared this, what to do? I have microwave in my home. Let's try it. So let me put my bread in microwave. Put it. And I'm going to time it for 145 seconds, yes. And start it. Wow, this is how it looks like. Let me show you. 1, 2, and 3. Wow, this looks awesome. Let me try how it tastes. Yep. All right. So here it comes, and let me taste it. Wow, tastes good. I'm going to enjoy my breakfast, and you too. Enjoy your day. Stay home, stay safe, be happy, be hopeful, trust in God. He has a better way for all of us. Thank you guys. See you in the next.